What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. I am back with this hair tutorial featuring hot braids. They did send me out their 20-inch kinky straight feather crochet hair extensions. It's like a black girl blonde, and I'm really excited to see how it's going to blend and mesh with just my skin tone. They did send me out one bundle, but their one bundle is hella thick. I don't think that I've done a tutorial of me doing a feather crochet install, so this will be new for you guys too. Super easy to do. I do already have my hair prepped for it. I left some hair out in the middle right here, and then this braid going around is just going to be my perimeter leave out if I want to put it half up, half down in a ponytail, just to make it more versatile. I have my anchor braid, basically smaller braids going around my perimeter so that it looks a little more seamless when I do go to put my hair up or whatever. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to actually take the hair off of this ring, because when I seen it, I was real confused and felt real slow after I actually figured it out, because I was trying to open it on this side. This is the side that is closed, if that's not already obvious. You're gonna flip it around to find this side, and you gotta push it and pull. So push, pull, and it opens like that. You're able to just take the pieces of hair off as you need them or as you want them, like that. That easy. And then whenever you're not using it to keep the hair together, you just close it back. It has the string attached to both sides, and this is what helps it to look more seamless. It's having the string attached. It just makes it easier to keep all of the hair together. You have a lot less shedding than you would with your traditional crochet. Around the perimeter where my leave out is, these pieces of hair are going to be just closer together, and then as I get in the middle, they'll be more spread apart. Needle, and I am going to open the latch by pulling this little thing down. So this is open. Slide this through my braid like that. Use that string to hook it on. We're going to close the latch, slide it through, but not all the way. Unhook that thread, and taking my thumb and my pointer finger, I am just going to grab the hair and pull it through like that. Voila, she's in. You're gonna do that to the entire head. It's literally that easy. Just really tedious. Just wanted to show y'all how full it is already. I did do the front. You see how seamless it looks once you push it all back. That's because I did the threads closer together. Now again, as I get into the middle, they will not be like that, because my perimeter is so full. Once I put it up, or once it's down even, you're not going to be able to tell. I did forget to add, the tighter you do your braids, the harder it's going to be to get this strand through. So I would suggest you do your braids not loose, but loose enough so that it can just slide right through, because if not, it's gonna be a struggle getting it through the braid, and it's gonna hurt a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you. One of the biggest questions I always get asked when I do crochet is, how do you take it out? So there's two ways that I know of. The easiest way probably would be to just take down your whole braid down. Crochet hair will kind of just fall off the bone as the braids are coming out. Or you can try and pull the knot out. Sometimes just taking the knot out works for me, sometimes it doesn't. It'll usually only be easy like that if I make my cornrows bigger. Not at all worried about running out of hair. This is how much I still have left, minus the little bit that I pulled off the ring already. So it's looking pretty full already, and I still have a long way to go. This is what the hair looks like. Once everything is in, I did end up using the full bundle, and it's really thick. As you can see, it's spaced out in the middle, but once it's all down and it falls over, you can't really tell. I'm gonna go in with my Chi 44 Iron Guard heat protectant, my Silk Infusion by Chi. Little goes a long way. It is so thick. You see how seamless the ponytail is though, right? All right, this is the hair straight. Now, I did straighten it last night, and then I kind of like beehive wrapped it and, you know, put my scarf on and then just took it out and brushed it. Now I then went to work, did my first shift, and it's very humid outside, so the hair is still straight, but you can see how it's like reverting a little bit. One thing about the kinky straight hair is it's going to revert right with my hair. So this is the perfect season. This is the perfect hair for this type of season, honestly. If you like your hair straight but you're natural and you don't want it to be a dead giveaway, this hair, whether if it's colored, whether if it's black, whether it's your color hair, whatever, this is what you want, kinky straight hair, because you can't even tell where my hair starts and where it ends in this hair. It blends so good. You would not look at my hair right now and be like, oh yeah, she has crochet in. It's not giving that. You will not look at me and say, oh yeah, she has crochet in. Crochet where? Where? Not a lick of my real natural hair is blonde, but you would never be able to tell that. You would never know. I can flip it over this way. I can flip it over this way.
Yeah, and I'm healed. I make her wear nothing but handcuffs and heels. Then I beat it like a cop. Find the king, baby, yeah, I beat it like a cop. Beat it like a cop. Ride the king, baby, say I beat it like a cop. But I ain't trying to be violent, but I do the time. But her love is timeless. Mrs. Officer.
Now let's try some styles. The hair was so soft. Really easy to straighten. I use my titanium flat iron. I will leave all of the tools and products that I used down in the description below for anybody that wants to check it out. But I use my titanium flat iron, and I only needed one pass on 400, and it got really straight really fast. Like I said, it is super humid right now. Like even right here talking to y'all, I'm sweating bullets, and the hair still held up. As you can see, my natural hair is reverting already. Like it's not standing a chance in this weather because I don't straighten my hair at all. It is not trained, but I love how the extensions blend with it. These feather crochet extensions are so popular. I think these kinky straight extensions are probably one of the best things that exist right now for us black women. I will link all of, like I said, the tools, products, the direct link to the hair down below.
Maybe you can lock me up and throw away the key. Call your sergeant and tell him you can't finish your shit, 'cause it's on tonight. Breakfast in bed turns to breakfast in, and I can't wait to get it on. I wanna do it all night long. This is officer. We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say,
let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any type of questions, leave them down in the description for me, and as always, I will do my best to try and answer them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, if this helped you at all. And even, hey, you got some tips for me, go ahead and leave those down in the comment section too. I ain't too proud to be educated, you feel me? And I will see you guys in the next video.